2023 GMC Yukon Denali. Change engine oil soon. This is how you reset it. So you go ahead and you press dismiss. Once you're on the information screen right here, you can use the navigation keys on the right side of the steering to scroll across, scroll back left to where you see that I. So once you reach on that I, information screen, you scroll down with this ball button. Scroll down until you reach oil life. Once you reach oil life, click the ball button in the middle to reset. Now scroll across to yes, then press the middle button, and that will reset your oil life to 100%. Then you can always scroll back up if you want it to stay. If you want it to stay under your speed. That's it.